Okay, tell me, are the voice and screen clear? All okay? Hmm? Yes, all okay? Good. Fine. Okay, fine. So, sir, now we have two electric fields. One is rightward, another is leftward, and rightward is more than the leftward. So, net electric field should be rightward. So, net rightward field is equal to all rightward minus all leftward. So, net rightward field E axial. Axial means electric field at a point on the axis. This line is called as axis. Electric field at a point on the axis, that is E axial, is equal to, that is net rightward field is equal to all rightward minus all leftward electric field due to the positive charge minus electric field due to the negative charge. Okay, what is the value? We are dealing with the values only. Okay, directions we have dealt separately. This value, all rightward values minus all leftward, K into Q upon R plus L bracket square. Sir, KQ common. Yes, KQ common. 1 upon R plus L bracket square minus 1 upon, sir, R minus L. R minus L. Sir, R plus L bracket square. Yes. Now simplification. Simplification. Don't do squares in the denominator right now. Don't do squares in the denominator immediately. Do the cross multiplication and then do the squares. Okay, sir. So K into Q divided by, do the cross multiplication, R plus L square minus R minus L bracket square, R minus L bracket square whole divided by R minus L square into R plus L square. A square into B square is AB bracket square. A square into B square. A square into B square is A into B bracket square. Try to understand, or let me write it like this. Initially, let it be as it is. Initially, let it be as it is. Next. Answer झालेला आहे बाळांनो. You have already got the answer. Okay. In the exam, you will be given R, you will be given L, you will be given Q. आणि काय पाहिजे? Now we are just simplifying it. Nothing will be eliminated. R eliminate nahi honar, L eliminate nahi honar. All the things will be there. Okay. फार फार तर काय होईल, इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल मोमेंट P वगैरे इक्वेशन मध्ये येईल. Okay. But basically answer is done. Here derivation is complete. Here the derivation is complete. So let me ask you right now, is this derivation clear to all of you? Because after this just a mathematical rearrangement. इथपर्यंत बाळांनो समजलंय का? It's just finding out the net electric field. Everyone shall reply. Up to this, everyone shall reply me. बोला बाळांनो, पट. Yes, no, पट. It is this much only. Good, very good. Fine. Now let's do the rearrangement. Not a big deal. Cross multiplication and denominator multiplication. Okay. Now R plus L bracket square. R square plus L square plus 2RL. R square plus L square plus 2RL. Bracket complete minus sign. R minus L bracket square. Again bracket. R square plus L square minus 2RL. A square plus B square minus 2AB. A minus B square. A minus B, sorry. Some value M square into N square. M into N bracket square. So R plus L. R minus L. So first is R minus L. R minus L, R plus L whole square. Okay. Sir, R square minus R square cancel. R square minus R square cancel. L square minus L square cancel. 2RL minus plus 2RL. 2RL minus plus 2RL. 2RL plus 2RL 4RL. 4RL. divided by. Sir, this KQ is common. Okay. This KQ is common. Wait for a second. This KQ is common. This KQ is common. Here also. Now the numerator r square minus r square cancel, L square minus L square cancel, 2RL minus minus plus 2RL, that will become 4RL. Now a minus b multiplied by a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So r square minus L square. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, r square minus L square. Sir, this bracket denominator a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. But sir, this square is there. So square bracket and again square. Okay, sir. Now a slight rearrangement. Sir, can we do this 4 as 2 into 2? Yes, 2k. This 2 into 2, 4. This k as it is. This q now here. This 2 here, k here, then 2 here, no, q here, then 2, then L, then R, then divided by, then R square minus L square bracket square. Try to understand. Everything is same. Just this 4RL. This 4 has been written 2 into 2. 2 into 2. KQ as it is. KQ as it is. RL as it is. But I have modified it in such a way that I can get the value of dipole moment. What is the value of dipole moment? 1 of the charge into distance between them, either capital L or 2 times small l. Now 2 times small l. Okay, K into 2L. Sorry, Q into 2L is the electric dipole moment value, numerical value. Okay, sir. So, sir, let me write it here. Can we write the effective electric field at a point on the axis of the electric dipole? That is E axial, numerical value is equal to this 2K as it is, okay. Then this electric dipole moment, it is P into this small r, yes, divided by this r square minus L square bracket square, r square minus L square bracket square. Yes, you can write that. That's it. This is the answer. Reply me in the chat box, clear and written. 2k p r upon r square minus L square bracket square. It seems difficult to remember, but don't worry. If you solve 2-3 questions of the same type, it will automatically get remembered. Okay, just like kq upon r square, kq upon r, kq1 q2 upon r square, you get familiar with this. Just don't worry about remembering. Okay, just make a note of it. Just make a list of formulae. Try to read it again and again. You will automatically read it. You will automatically remember it. Okay, sir, fine. Now, sir, vector form of the equation. Vector form. Let us bring vector on the left hand side. E axial. Electric field is a vector. Sir, this field is in the rightward direction. Sir, rather than saying rightward, say from negative to positive. The electric field on the axis is always directed from negative to positive. But sir, this electric dipole moment is always from negative to positive. By definition, direction of electric dipole is negative to positive. Okay, sir. This as a vector, this electric dipole as a vector, all other things as it is. Because this is the magnitude equal to magnitude, and direction of electric field is equal to direction of electric dipole moment. That's it. So this is the vector form. Reply me in the chat box, clear and written. CW. Scalar form, magnitude equal to magnitude, vector. Very good, Yash. Akash, perfect. Good. Everyone. Aditya. Okay, sir. Now we are getting into it. समजा लागले आम्हाला हे काय? Electric field at a point on the axis of the dipole. We derived it. Okay, not a big deal. It's a vector quantity. First this, second this. All effectively, if this rightward field is more, so net field will be rightward. So net rightward field is equal to all rightward minus all leftward. That's it. Okay, sir. Fine. Now we know what is the value of electric field at a point on the axis of the dipole. The point is on the axis of the dipole. Okay, sir. If we have short dipole, concept of short dipole, you try to understand. When you have a short dipole, the case is something like this: minus q plus q. This is your dipole. This value is equal to 2L. This is the axis of the dipole. And this is the given point. This is the center of the dipole, and from the center of the dipole, distance of given point is small r. And whenever you have a short dipole, this length 2L is very, very small compared with this distance small r. This length of the dipole is very, very small, and therefore it is called as short dipole. This length 2L, capital L or 2 times small l. This length, distance between the two charges is very, very small compared with the distance of given point from the dipole. From the dipole means from the center of the dipole. So what is the concept of short dipole? If we have a short dipole like this, we are going to write 2L value is very, very less than r. Length of the dipole is 2L value, okay, 2 times small l. Length of the dipole is very, very small compared to the distance of given point, okay. And now at this point, electric field will be, of course, in the direction of electric dipole moment. Dipole moment is always from negative to positive, and field on the axis is always in the direction of electric dipole. Okay, sir. AX or axial. You can use short form also, AX. AX for axial. Okay, sir. Next. Sir, if we have this, can we do this as value of r is very, very large than 2L, or 2L is very, very small? 2L very, very small mana kiwa r very, very large. R is also very, very more than L. So r square will be very, very more than L square. So r square minus L square will be approximately, reply in the chat box. Approximation. Just like gravitation. Here we are doing the approximation. R plus H la approximately R karaycho na, because H is very, very small. Just like that, this L is very, very small. This L is very, very small. So neglect that L square. No need to subtract. If this L is very, very small, dipole is short dipole. Short dipole म्हणजे काय? Distance between the two charges is very, very small. Distance between the two charges, that is equal to 2L, is very, very small compared with what? Compared with distance of given point from the center of the dipole. So this value R is very, very larger than this 2L. Means what? The dipole is the very short dipole. Length of the dipole is small. Length of the dipole, that is equal to 2 times L. The two poles are very, very close to each other. Okay. So in that situation, this value of R is very large compared with the value of 2L. R is very large compared with the 2L. So R will be large compared with the L. So R square will be large compared with the L square. So R square minus L square. That's it. This is very large value. This is small value is equal to large value. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Approximation. Okay, sir. So R square minus L square will be approximately taken as R square. Okay. Fine, no problem. Now, what is the effective value of electric field becomes for the short dipole? Approximate formula that is used for the short dipole. Most of the cases, almost in most of the cases, you will be given the short dipole. You will be given the short dipole. So electric field on the axis is equal to K. Now I'm going to rearrange this formula. Okay, you also rearrange. K into 2pr upon r square minus l square bracket square. Okay, K into 2pr, K into 2pr upon r square minus l bracket square. K into 2pr upon r square minus l square bracket square. ओके, सकाळी उठल्या उठल्या काय करायचं, चहा प्यायच्या आधी पहिल्यांदा हा फॉर्म्युला म्हणायचा. काय फॉर्म्युला आहे? के इंटू ब्रॅकेट 2pr अपॉन r स्क्वेअर मायनस l स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. यू कॅन रिमेंबर इट. ओके सर. ओके, के इंटू 2pr अपॉन r स्क्वेअर मायनस l स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. फाइन सर. के इंटू 2pr अपॉन r स्क्वेअर मायनस l स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. ओके, but write down r square minus l square is approximately equal to r square for short dipole. For short dipole. For short dipole. Okay, sir. Therefore, electric field on the axis of the short dipole as a vector, you can, if you write here vector, you have to write here vector. If you do not want, you can skip it. Let us write the vector form. No problem. K into 2pr upon r square minus l square bracket square, but r square minus l square is r square, so r square bracket square, index of index is multiplication of index, K into 2pr upon p is dipole moment, K into 2pr, index of index is multiplication of index, 2 into 2 is 4, so r upon r raised to 4, r cube in the denominator. So that's it. K into 2p r upon r raised to 4 is r cube. That's it. See how simple the formula has become. Vector, vector, because both these vectors have same direction. So vector equal to vector. Reply me in the chat box. K into 2p upon r cube. K into 2p upon r cube. Getting it? This becomes easier than this. K into 2pr upon r square minus l square bracket square. K into 2pr upon r square minus l bracket square. Instead of that, short dipole formula is very simple. This is exact formula. This is approximate short dipole formula. Now everyone will reply me in the chat box, clear and written. Good. बघा बाळांनो, घुस रहा है दिमाग में, डोक्यात जाते का? सर डोक्यात तर जातंय, काय सांगू तुम्हाला? डोक्यात चाललंय का? सर डोक्यातच तर जाते. काल काय होत होतं? काल टच करून बाहेर जात होतं ना, टच करून गेलो बाहेर. आज आज डोक्यात जाते, पण मजा येईल बाळांनो तुम्हाला, मजा येईल. घाबरू नका, याला घाबरू नका. डोंट वरी. डील करूया की याच्याबरोबर. ऑफकोर्स हे काय प्रत्येक वेळी याचे काय 7-8 क्वेश्चन्स एक्झाम मध्ये येणार आहेत असं नाही. आलं तर एखाद्या वर्षी रेअरली एक क्वेश्चन येईल. अदरवाइज नो. अदरवाइज सगळे फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन्स येतात. जस्ट डोंट वरी. फाईन सर. बट लेट अस ट्राय टू डील विथ दिस. ओके, नुसतं सगळं सोपं 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 नको करायला. ओके, लेट्स डील विथ द क्रिटिकल थिंग्स ऑल्सो. ओके, लेट अस इम्प्रूव्ह द लॉजिक. Step by step, with taking time, we can do this. Okay, fine sir. Now we have the formula for electric field at a point on the axis of the dipole as well as short dipole. Okay sir. Next, how much time we have? Okay, around 20 minutes we have. Let's move on to the next point. What is the next point? Electric field at a point on the equator. Axis the equator. Write down. Write down. Write down. Write down. Electric field. Electric field at a point. Electric field at a point on the electric field at a point on the equator of the dipole. Okay, no problem. Equator of dipole. All right. Very simple thing. Let's draw a dipole. Keep some space here. Minus q. Sir, plus q. Sir, center. Sir, total distance 2L. Or this distance L. This distance L. Sir, now the point is on the equator. Let us draw the equator. Let us draw the equator. Equator is line passing through center and perpendicular to axis. This is the axis. This is the center. This is the line passing through center and perpendicular to axis. Okay. So this is our equator. This is equator. That's our equator. Now the point is on the equator here. Point is on the equator here. Okay. Now at this point we have to find electric field due to the positive charge, electric field due to the negative charge. Okay, no problem. This distance of any point from the dipole is always measured from the center of the dipole. So do not take this distance as small r. Take this distance as small r. Okay, because distance of any point from the dipole is always to be measured from the center of the dipole. Okay, fine. Now draw this dotted line. Draw this dotted line. Call this distance as small d. Call this distance as small d, additional distance. Okay. Now electric field because of the positive charge will be away from the positive. Call it as electric field due to the positive charge, E plus. Now electric field due to negative charge will be towards negative. Positive away from positive, negative towards negative. Call that electric field as E minus. Call that electric field as E minus. Now these are the two vectors whose vertical component will cancel each other. या दोन वेक्टरचे vertical component cancel होतात. का cancel होतात? You will observe that this angle is exactly equal to this angle, and both of these vectors have equal magnitudes. Why equal magnitudes? That we will discuss. But this angle equal to this angle. How? Let us try to understand. Okay, let us call this angle as theta. Let us call this angle as theta. So sir, this is a Z angle. Okay, double line, double line. So this angle theta, this angle theta. Now this is double line. Okay sir. Now this dotted line and this vertical line means this is single. Single line means 90 minus theta. Single line means 90 minus theta. Double line is theta. Single line is 90 minus theta. Okay, okay. Now sir, if this angle is theta, because of the symmetry, this distance is d, this distance is d, it's an isosceles triangle, so this angle should also be equal to theta. Yes sir. If this angle is theta, you can observe the F angles here. This line and this line are parallel to each other. This line and this line are parallel to each other. If this angle is theta, this angle should also be equal to theta. Try to understand. Try to draw the bigger diagram. Take the time, but try to draw the bigger diagrams. Okay. Theta, theta. By Z angle logic, here you can observe Z angle logic. By Z angle logic, these two angles are equal. And for F angle logics, this is parallel to this. This line is parallel to this. So if this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. Okay. If this is theta, this dotted line and the vertical line are perpendicular to each other. If this is theta, if this is double line, this must be single line, 90 minus theta. Okay, sir. Let us call this theta. Let us call this theta. No problem. Up to this, reply me in the chat box, clear and written. Write it. Take your time, but reply me in the chat box. पहिल्यांदा angle करू दे, distance करू दे. बाकी just application. Small mathematics, KQ upon R square. Everyone. Good. Do it, do it, do it. Hmm. And all these lectures are being recorded. Okay. These critical derivations also, we are taking time, we are recording it, so you can have maximum output from it. Okay. You can watch those lectures again and again. Okay. No problem. Fine, sir. Now, sir, let us find out electric field due to the positive charge. E plus is equal to, sir, kq upon r square. K is k, q is q upon r. Sir, r is small d. Okay, kq upon d square. Electric field due to the negative charge, E minus. Electric field due to the negative charge, it is towards negative. Sir, kq upon r square. K is k, q is q upon r is again d. R is again d. Kq upon r square. Okay, sir. Next. Sir, these are the numerical values. Okay. First vector is like this. Second vector is like this. We can have angle between two vectors as theta plus theta equal to 2 theta. No problem. That we can do. But there is better method that you can observe magnitude of E plus and magnitude of E minus both are equal. Kq upon d square, kq upon d square. Both these vectors are equal in magnitude. Directions are different. I'm not saying directions are opposite. I'm saying directions are different, but their magnitudes are equal. So, sir, this will be E plus sin theta component. E plus चा sin theta component आहे हा, आणि हा cos theta component आहे. याचा पण cos component आहे, sin component आहे. So if we resolve this, now draw the diagram once again here. Like this. This is your E plus. This is your E minus. Draw the solid line for E plus. Draw the solid line for E minus. Now draw the dotted line for resolution of E plus. This angle is theta. If this is theta, this dotted line will give you E plus cos theta component. E plus चा तो काय असेल बाळांनो, cos theta component असेल, cos component असेल, adjacent is cos. Write this plus here, not to be confused. E plus cos theta, no, E plus here. E plus चा cos theta component. This angle is also theta. So one more cos theta component here. One more cos theta component here. E minus cos theta. E minus cos theta component. So या E plus ला resolve केलं, cos theta sin theta. Cos component, sin component. Just like that, E minus you have to resolve. Cos component, sin component. Sir, magnitudes are equal. Sin theta equal to sin theta, E plus equal to E minus, sin theta equal to sin theta, equal and opposite vectors will cancel out each other, implies that resultant electric field at this point will be leftward E cos theta plus E cos theta. E plus cos theta plus electric field due to negative charge E minus cos theta. This is the net electric field, which will be called as E equatorial. Axial, equatorial. जसं axis वरची काढली तशी आता equator वरची. Reply me in the chat box up to this clear and written. इथपर्यंत समजू दे पहिल्यांदा बाळांनो. Net electric field will be this. Take your time, but try to understand. Everyone? Very good. Clear and written. CW. Expecting reply from everyone? Okay. All right, sir. Next. Now we have to add these two values only. Not a big deal. Chalo. Let's do it. Where I can do it? Here. Because I want this diagram. Fine, sir. Let's do it here. Let us find out the numerical value of the equatorial field. This is going to be the equatorial field, resultant field. Equatorial means it electric field at a point which is on the equator, EEQ. So EEQ is equal to E plus cos theta plus E minus cos theta. Okay, but both of these values are equal. What is E plus? Electric field due to positive charge is KQ upon D square. KQ upon D square into cos theta plus E minus. E minus is what? E minus KQ upon D square again. K into Q upon D square into cos theta. Yes, sir. Sir, KQ upon D square cos theta plus KQ upon D square cos theta is equal to 2 times KQ upon D square cos theta. Sorry, D square into cos theta. Cos theta is in the numerator. Okay, sir. Fine. Next. Now, simple addition. That's it. You will get the final answer. Actually, the derivation is over here itself. That's it. Now you can replace this D by Pythagoras. You can replace this D by Pythagoras. If you ask Pythagoras what is the value of D, he will say under root L square plus R square. Value of D will be equal to under root small L square plus small R square. Pythagoras. Okay. So here Pythagoras will help us. E equatorial is equal to 2KQ upon D square. Keep it as it is. Now cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Small l upon d. Okay, sir. Small l upon d. So the answer is 2KQ into L upon D cube. Yes. Sir, can I write this as K into Q into 2L? Yes, you can write K into Q into 2L upon D cube. E equatorial. Okay. But sir, this D is by Pythagoras. We have to write that D as under root. What is D by Pythagoras? Under root L square plus R square or R square plus L square. Let us write R square plus L square. Sir, that D is to be cubed. या D चा काय करायचा आहे? Cube करायचा आहे. Okay. Sir, Q into 2L. Q into 2L. What is Q into 2L? Electric dipole moment P. P is equal to Q into 2L. So Q into 2L is P. So that's Kp. Kp upon D cube. And D can be replaced as per the need. Kp upon D cube and D can be replaced as per the need. Okay, you can do that. Fine, sir. Now, this formula you can remember, or this formula you can remember as per the need, you can replace D. Let's do some rearrangement here also. K into P upon. Now this R square plus L square raised to 1 by 2. R square plus L square raised to 1 by 2. And its cube is to be made. Okay, and its cube is to be made. Fine. So that will become Kp divided by index of index is multiplication of index. So that becomes R square plus L square. 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Okay, so Kp upon R square plus L square raised to 3 by 2. Kp upon R square plus L square raised to 3 by 2. This is the value of electric field on equator. This is the value of electric field on equator. Okay, sir. What is the value? Let us write it again. Electric field value on the equator is Kp upon R square plus L square raised to 3 by 2. L is this distance, R is this distance. Because given point, distance is always measured from the center of the dipole. Okay, fine. Now vector form. Let's make left hand side as a vector. Let's make right hand side as a vector. P is a vector on the right hand side and EQ is the vector on the left hand side. दोन वेक्टर पहिल्यांदा करून घ्या. चेक करा दोघांचे डायरेक्शन सेम असतील तर डायरेक्टली आन्सर मिळालं. If the directions are not same, opposite, use the minus sign. Now you people tell me. Electric dipole is always from negative to positive. Electric dipole direction is always from negative to positive. and equatorial electric field is always from positive to negative. Equatorial electric field is always from positive to negative. So electric dipole moment and the electric field on the equator are opposite to each other. So these directions are not equal. So minus. Those directions are opposite to each other. But magnitudes, they are equal. Reply me in the chat box. This is the magnitude. Magnitude equal to magnitude. This direction is opposite of this direction. Up to this, reply me in the chat box, clear and written. इथपर्यंत बाळांनो समजलं का बघा. Try to understand. Very good. चला बाळांनो एक शॉर्ट डायपोलचं करा. डायपोल शॉर्ट झाला की काय करायचं? सर, this length is very very small compared with the r. R square plus L square is approximately R square. Very simple. R square plus L square is approximately R square. L square given. K as it is, P as it is upon. Sir, R square plus L square is R square. Sir, raised to 3 by 2. Yes. Sir, is equal to Kp upon. Sir, 2 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel. R cube. 2. Index of index is multiplication of index. 2 into 3 by 2 is 3. 2 cancel. So Kp upon R cube. Sir, directions opposite. Vector form you are using. So directions opposite. Numerical value Kp upon R cube. Vector form minus K into P bar upon R cube. Numerical value Kp upon R cube. That's it. Numerical value. If you want vector, equator electric field vector is opposite to dipole moment vector. So minus and P bar. Reply me finally in the chat box. Are the things taught in today's lecture clear to all of you? Today slowly we derived two basic formulae for the dipole. Electric field on the axis and on the equator. Only two derivations we did today. बघा बाळांनो समजलं का आम्हाला? Fine. So shall we stop in this lecture here? थांबूया इथं आपण. Everyone shall reply now. थांबूया. Next lecture तुमचं कधी आहे? 11. Okay. So chalo guys, bye bye everyone. Let me end this lecture at this point. Remaining things we are going to see in the next lecture. Okay. Till then, you just study for the test. Okay. Chalo bye bye everyone. Let me end this lecture at this point. For the test, you study the module and its solved example and see the question answers of the module exercise. Okay. That much you have to do.